If you're looking to stop recurring charges on your Wells Fargo account, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to manage and cancel those payments effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Wells Fargo online banking account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to Account Activity. Once logged in, find the Account Activity or Transactions section. This area will provide you with a detailed list of your recent transactions, including any recurring charges. Step 3. Identify recurring payments. Review your transaction history to identify any recurring payments. Look for charges that appear regularly, such as monthly subscriptions or automatic bill payments. Step 4. Cancel recurring payments. For each recurring charge you wish to stop, click on the transaction or payment option. Follow the prompts to cancel the payment. You may need to confirm your decision or provide additional information. Step 5. Monitor your account. After canceling the charges, keep an eye on your account for the next few billing cycles to ensure that the recurring payments have stopped. If you notice any continued charges, contact Wells Fargo customer service for assistance. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and stop any unwanted recurring charges on your Wells Fargo account. Always remember to review your account regularly to stay on top of your finances.